lips whisper silent, muffled sound. In a night shroud for lost and found, chill of mist where silence drowns. Crimson petals falling to the floor, echoes linger behind the door. Silence screams, don't ask for more. Cold winds pierce to the core. In the dark where the shadows reign, where the cries feel the pain, in this cold unending rain, lost souls in black remain. Gothic arches stretch to stars above, broken hearts devoid of love. Moonlight shines on the damned above, eternal night fits like a glove. Dark wind stares with eyes so dire, cathedral bell tolls fire's pyre. Through the void of thorny briar, desperate whispers never tire. In the dark